Hey people on the internet, this is Blue Kai 2020 Awesome Kai 5656 and recording on YouTube. And guess what? This is the Emperor at SeaWorld San Diego construction update as of February 16th, 2020. And look at it. The layout is confirmed that it goes to the vertical drop goes over Illman, and hammerheads are almost an inversion. Also the 0G roll, and then the corkscrew, and then yeah, and that could be to the brake run, and that's it. And not only I saw the layout complete, also there where the place where the ride operator dispatches the train, and also over there with the trains confirmed to the coaster, which has fence restraints instead of over the shoulder restraints, just like Silver Bullet and Knott's Berry Farm. Even though it's a B&M coaster too, but not a dive coaster. And it rode hang time and Silver Bullet to prepare for that. Absolutely gorgeous, aren't they? And yes, I can clearly see the more of the track back right over the finale turn. Okay, and look at the brake run. They look absolutely different. It's magnetic, but if they're gonna keep the construction going, they're gonna have to build a station, the scenery, and the queue lines. So okay, well, and that probably could be it for today's update for the Emperor SeaWorld San Diego upcoming dive coaster. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, don't forget to leave a comment, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you haven't so lately. That's all I have for now. This is Blue Kai 2020 Awesome Kai 5656 signing off. And yes, over and out. Bye bye.